The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Entonese Department of Civilian Safety and the Entonese government. As the war with the imperial state of North Korea drags on, missile and airstrikes are being launched deeper into Entonese territory. All of the following provinces are in the evacuation zone: West Killin, the Entonese Arctic Province, South Korea, and Renania Province. Again, all who are in these provinces have 72 hours to enter the bunkers, which the Entonese government will provide locations to once this broadcast concludes. All who do not comply will be apprehended by authorities and will be forcibly taken to a bunker, or regions outside of the evacuation zone. If you are unable to get to a bunker, make sure you have enough food to last for a month at minimum. The Entonese government will send food and water to families who are unable to do so. Television will not resume until the timer at the end of this broadcast is over. Thank you for your cooperation.